Which of the following joints allow no movement? Option A, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints such as the hip and shoulder joints allow freedom of movement in multiple directions such as flexion, extension, rotation, etc. So option A is incorrect. Option B, fibrous joint. Fibrous joints are connected by dense fibrous connective tissue and allow little to no movement. They include structures like skull, which do not permit any movement once they are fully formed. So here the answer will be option B, fibrous joint, which would allow no movement. Whereas coming to option C, cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint allow limited movement and they are found in the areas such as intervertebral disc or the pubic symphysis where the bones are connected by cartilage. They allow some flexibility but do not permit extensive movement. So option C is incorrect. Option D, synovial joint. So synovial joint allow freely movable movement are the most common type of joint in the human body such as the elbow, knee and fingers. So that is a hinged joint which helps in the movement. So option D is incorrect. The correct answer is option B.